Hey y'all, it's your girl PresidentialLilly, your favorite, and we are back with another video. And today we will be unboxing this package that I got from Allie Gray. We're gonna open up the package. This is what it came by. They was shipped through FedEx. They sent me this wig. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's super cute ombre, like a light mauve pink to a light blue, and it says Allie Grace. Show your beauty with Allie Grace. So we opened it up, and I got curly hair for my very first time. I got deep wave hair, but the curls, I've never had curly hair, so I don't really know what deep wave looks like, but my best friend wears deep wave hair all the time, and all she said was that I should just wet it, and it'll loosen up. So that's what I'm gonna do. This wig is a 22-inch. It is a 360 lace. So I have lace all around the whole perimeter of my head. We have 4 clips in here, but when I do it customize my wig, I would take 3 of these clips off and just leave 1 in the back. I haven't plucked it or anything. Hair looks really good. The hair feels great. When I smell it, it just has the regular fresh hair that you just get out the package kind of smell. I'm really excited to try it on and do it. I don't really know how I'm gonna style it yet or anything like that, but I'm just really excited. The first thing that I did notice about the lace and the hair itself is that the knots are very, very small, so they're gonna be easy to lift and bleach. I'm really excited about that. So that means I should get really perfect, beautiful knots. They also give you this in your package, and it comes with, it says proven care and maintenance tips. Please read before wearing Allie Grace, and it's cute because it has like a little search bar thing. You open it up and it says contents, like your table of contents, and it just gives you tips and all that good stuff on how to take care of your hair, how to contact them through Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, WhatsApp, and this is email. These are bars. I guess it tells you go ahead and just go straight to the page. And it was like, would you like to promote Allie Grace? And clearly, duh, I am, because they sent me this hair. And they actually, ew, what the hell? They actually sent me some really cute lashes that I'm really gonna be wearing soon. Don't worry about it. I'll probably wear it in the video when I'm putting on my wig. And they're really cute. And it has Allie Grace right there. These are 3D minks, and then the number 13. So I'm really excited about those. This is just a really quick unboxing. I don't know if I'm gonna make this video longer and go ahead and incorporate it with me customizing the wig, or if I'm just gonna upload this as a little unboxing video. Yeah, I'm not really sure, but you guys will see in a minute if the video ends right here or if it continues from here. I decided to keep the video going from here. So the first step into me customizing my lace, I'll go ahead and begin spraying some water down my lace, and I begin to pluck. This process is pretty self-explanatory. I'm only going to show you guys me plucking this one little section right here. If you guys want a full detailed video on how to pluck your lace and get it perfectly plucked to your liking, I do have a detailed video already on my page, and I will tag it here. It will be in the right top corner. And this is what the lace should look like once you're finished plucking. She should look really, really natural and thinned out. So here is a clip of me bleaching the knots. I didn't actually get to catch a video of me actually putting it on there, but I'm really upset because my bleach mixture was pretty thin, and this is what happened. I got overran bleach on my knots. Oh my god, I was so peed, but it's okay because I know how to go back and fix them. But I was just really sad because I couldn't find my other powder to make the mixture thicker. So this is what the wig looks like after I fixed all those bleached knots, and I went ahead and dyed the hair from root to tip. With me not knowing how to braid my own hair, I really want to show you guys how you can get a nice flat install without having to braid your hair. So this is what my hair looks like underneath my wig. I'm going to go ahead and proceed with the ball cap method. I'm using a skin tone stocking cap, and I'm going to go ahead and use my Got To Be Glued freeze spray to secure that down and blow dry it. Once my cap is dry, I'm going to go ahead and begin to cut off that excess cap. And just making sure that I get as close to my hairline as possible and going ahead and shaping out my actual hairline. Now that I've got that cut off, I just want to go ahead and try the wig on, make sure that it fits, see how far the lace comes up so I know where to apply my glue. And just all in all, just trying to see what it'll look like. Just get a little sneak peek. Mind you, this is my first time wearing curly, and this is like my natural, for real, like first impression of it. And it's safe to say that I am feeling the curly hair, honey. So it fits. So now I'm going to take my foundation and my skin tone, mix it in a little bit on the back of my hand, and take my makeup brush and just go ahead and tint the front of my lace so that the lace can actually blend in with my skin. This is 99% alcohol. I'm just going to spray it onto these two Q-tips and just begin to clean off the area where I'm going to apply the glue. Whenever using a glue, you want to use a skin protectant. So I'm going to use this Walker's Tape skin protectant and apply that where I'm going to apply the glue as well. The glue I'll be using is from Lace Grip. Eric & Tay uses it and the Hair King uses it, so I decided to use it and I love it so far. Anyone that I suggest to use it, they also love it as well. So you guys should go give it a try out. But I really love this glue. It gives me a nice super hold and it'll last me about a good week and a half because I do have oily skin. So my skin is just going to combat it anyways. I plan on wearing my wig for at least that week and a half. So I'm going to go ahead and do 3 layers of the glue. And then I'm going to wait till it dries clear. And then I will apply my wig. It's time to apply my wig. So I'm just making sure I get all the flyaways out of the glue. And then I just pull the lace and make sure that I have a mirror right in front of me. And I make sure that I pull the hair line to where the glue is already placed on my head. Now that my wig is situated, I like to take my blow dryer on medium-high heat and take the back of my comb and really press that lace into the glue so it can actually get that melt. My phone was losing storage, so a lot of the time when I started to record it cut off on me. But here's just what the lace looks like once it's all the extra excess lace is cut off. I feel like the install is not that bad, but it could be better, but I'm gonna finesse it. From here on out, I will just be styling my hair. So this is really all just self-explanatory. I really don't want to talk and break this part down to you. I just want to let you guys enjoy watching the video, and I'm going to shut up for a second. So enjoy this background music and hope you guys enjoy me styling my hair.
Digits on the beat. Digits on the beat. Digits on the beat. Digits on the beat. Digits on the beat.
So I have to delete make space on my phone. So on my video, my next hair video, you guys are not gonna see me define the curls. They're just already gonna be defined.